Welcome. If you've ever needed to get everyone's attention in a messenger group chat, maybe to share an important update, plan an event, or just make sure nobody misses your message, today's guide is for you. I'll show you the easiest way to mention everyone in your messenger group chat using the latest feature that saves you from tagging each person one by one. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Messenger app installed and updated to the latest version. Some features, like mentioning everyone, may not work on older versions or on the browser, so it's best to use the app on your phone for this. Now, open the Messenger app and head to the group chat, where you want everyone to see your message. Once you're in the chat, tap on the message box at the bottom, just like you would when sending any message. Here's where the magic happens. Type the @ symbol. As soon as you do, Messenger will show you some suggestions above your keyboard. Look for the option that says Everyone. Tap on Everyone from the list. You'll notice that @everyone appears in your message and is usually highlighted or in a different color, making it clear that you're about to mention the whole group. Now, just finish typing your message. Maybe something like, @everyone don't forget, our meeting starts at 7 p.m. tonight, and hit send. Instantly, everyone in the group will receive a notification, making sure your message stands out from the rest of the chat traffic. This feature is especially helpful for large groups, where manually tagging each member would take forever. With just a couple of taps, you can reach everyone at once and make sure nothing important slips through the cracks. That's all there is to it. Open your group chat, type @everyone, select it from the suggestions, and send your message. It's fast, easy, and ensures your group stays connected and informed. If you found this tip helpful, try it out in your next group chat and see how much easier it makes communicating with everyone at once. Thanks for tuning in, and stay connected.